You guys, I haven't made a video for the last couple days because I mean this market has bounced back so ferociously that I even it really got me confused. First of all, and I had to chase basically over here, buying a bunch of stuff back. I sold literally at the top here. For my trading account, I had to buy a lot of stuff back, a bunch of other stocks. So I've been busy, and is this a dead cat bounce? I don't know, man. I really don't know, and I'm as confused as everyone else. I really don't know where this market's going, but I do have a clue. I do have a little bit of clue. So one thing that this market could possibly do is that it could be doing something like this, maybe in this scenario where we had a crash from dot-com bubble, right? Then we kind of bouncing around and came back pretty rapidly, right? In a year, this is a similar time frame here, and then this was a and this was a 95% move. Similarly here, we had a almost I don't know 80% move in Nasdaq in a similar time frame here. Okay, even less. Wait, this is a D-mini. Let's take a look at Nasdaq, which is the NQ. Sorry about this. Let's take a look here. Where is my? This is a 85% move, 95% move here. Kind of similar scenario, similar time frame. Takes about a year to complete. This is less than a year. Obviously, our market's faster. So, roughly same situation. Came from a major crash. We came from a minor crash, but it is a pretty quick crash. Almost everyone got trapped. Lots of selling pressures here. Lots of people have sold huge amount of volume. Here, there is no volume for some reason. Anyway, they should give us volume in the data. But anyway, we came up here all the way. We had a kind of euphoric push here of 7.8%. I think this one's bigger. 10%, whatever. Came down, right? We came down, we came up again. We came down again. So this is the second move here. We came down again. Then we bounced back again. See here, the first couple of days was really ferocious. Then we bounced back here. Then we consolidated a little bit. Then we made another push. So I believe we're here. We're doing a 3-drive thing. Just based on our market right now. So I believe we're probably just doing this. And that's going to take maybe until, depends on how we're going to make that final move here. Obviously, the market's not going to do exactly the same. But I'm just suspecting that this is what we're doing. We're probably not going to be making the all-time high. We're probably going to be somewhere, close to the all-time high. We try to kind of retest it maybe a little bit, but failed to do that. But then we come down, had a mini crash from I don't know, like maybe how many days was this move? This is a 88-day move, 87 days move. So we're talking about the whole move's 87 days. What's the move here? I mean, time frame not going to be the exact same. This is 57 days move, 52 days. We have 40 days, 37 days. So this one could be a 60 days move, right? Like just proportionally speaking. So we could be ending up like this. So that's something I'm looking for, maybe. I don't know. That could be a possibility for the market. I think that's the most likely possibility. I don't think the market is gonna crash just into the oblivion, like this dead cat bounce and just crash to oblivion. I think this could be a potential, just a consolidate through time. Then we have this kind of shakeout thing that's gonna be lower than. Let me just remove this. Anyway, I'm just gonna put it here. So maybe this is gonna shakeout thing that's gonna make a low that's compared to this level, right? To shake people out. So that could happen. Like right here, this is a low. And that could happen, you know, December 30th, end of the year or something, January, like we're gonna have a mini crash. Then we're gonna move up again to next year. So that is a possibility for sure. I am looking at. This is just pure guess right now. This market has thrown me off so much after the election. I know there's gonna be a bounce, but I did not expect this bounce to be so ferocious. And this is such a ferocious bounce that you know, we could potentially make all-time high, right? Then we come down. It's also a possibility, right? Why not make an all-time high? People get excited. A lot of breakout buyers bought here. Then after a couple of days, they get trapped. They have to sell here. It's possible. It's possible the market could end up like that. Okay, so as in Ethereum, Bitcoin, all the other assets, Ethereum. Oh man, this move I did not expect. I did not expect this move to can go this far. Again, have thrown me off. I actually sold a lot of my stuff here at 410-ish, right here. I didn't think this move could extend that much today. This is only being a day. Do I think this is gonna make a new high? I don't know. Right now, I have no idea. I actually sold some of my long positions in Ethereum, actually most of it. And so right now, I'm actually just all cash for Ethereum. I mean, I could have waited for 24 hours and sell, you know, another 10% up. I can't see that far, unfortunately. And yeah, and this is it. Maybe we are going to make a new all-time high, but I highly doubt that. I think if we do consolidate here, I don't think this level could last. Just like this one is going to be temporary. If we do a consolidate, eventually we're going to be sold down, trapping a lot of people here. If we do breakout, then this, I don't know, it's going to continue to go up. But if we do consolidate here for the next couple of days, or at this level, right, for the next couple of days, this could be a crash that's coming up. I mean, that could happen, or you know, we break out, we retest this top. To me, that doesn't look like a nice support, because this top, even if we could break out, we came down. It's not a support. There's no support here. That's because there wasn't any resistance. If you think about it, right? This point is so pointy, and if there's no resistance, you know, for example, here we do have a little bit of support here because we have this top, and then we also have this level, right? We also have here these critical levels, and also all the way here. But if the price come up here, there wasn't much of a support. Like this empty space here, not a lot of shares have traded at this level. So for me, I think that if the market breaks out here, the chance of that is just really unlikely, just based on my experience. So I just really can't believe. Hard to believe that this price could have the momentum and eventually break out to the upside. And and actually keep that momentum and continue going up and up. And especially when this move is literally a vertical move, right? We're doing a 1 day move of more than 10%. Whenever this happens, if you look at these vertical moves here, except this one is much larger, much longer, but look at this one. When the high chance of having this kind of vertical move in 1 day, it looks suspicious to me still. And I think that if it does start to consolidate or showing some weakness, eventually it's gonna break down to the downside. Okay, and that's all I want to talk about today, and see you next time.